No matter how many times you pull this, if you don't have gas in it, it will not start. About once a year I like to get the siding on my house pressure washed. However, I'm not a fan of heights, so I hired that job out. That's not the purpose of this video though. The purpose is to share a few pressure washing tips. The first is to apply siding cleaner or outdoor bleach to the siding before pressure washing. You won't believe the difference. I've had my siding pressure washed maybe 10 times since I've lived here, and this time turned out way better than any year previous. To do this, get a cheap pump sprayer from Home Depot or Lowe's and apply the cleaner or bleach to all the siding. This does make the job twice as long, but it's well worth it in the end. In our case here, we had a little bit of siding cleaner, and what we did is apply that to the middle section he's working on now. Then we switched over to outdoor bleach on both the right and the left side. This is the only side of the house that I took video of applying the cleaner or the bleach. Figured you get the idea from this. But you can tell the difference. The siding cleaner makes it turn like brown or green. So you can kind of see what you're pressure washing. The bleach actually kind of cleaned it. So as you pressure wash, you didn't get that satisfying reveal. It already kind of looked clean. But in the end, they both turned out to look about the same. And here are two great examples of why I pay someone to do this. This is one. You're not going to catch me up there. And this is number two here. I almost had a small panic attack watching him get on that ladder. You're not going to catch me doing that. And this is one of the other tips I wanted to throw in here. As a homeowner, this is a huge no-no. Never pressure wash your condenser. Those fins on the condensers are very delicate, and pressure washers will almost always just bend them up and it could destroy your condenser. So I'm just like cringing right here. But I did check it after he finished, and none of them were bent, thankfully. But that could be a $2,000 to $3,000 mistake there. As you can see, I'm looking at it now like, oh crap.